Before installing a file sharing app, many users check a ShareMe review to see how it performs in real use. In this video, we'll quickly look at ShareMe's transfer speed, stability, and ease of use so you can decide if it's right for your daily file sharing needs. Part 1. What is ShareMe? Pricing: free to use, no subscriptions or in-app purchases. Works offline, no data charges. Security: secure peer-to-peer Wi-Fi transfer, no cloud or server storage. QR code pairing for safe, quick connection. Part 3. ShareMe ratings and reviews. Part 4. How to use ShareMe. Sender: open ShareMe, send select files, show QR code. Receiver: open ShareMe, receive, scan QR code. Files transfer automatically, check received. Part 5. ShareMe pros and cons. Pros: fast, offline, free. Multiple file types, simple to use. Cons: unstable at times, limited features, weak with large files, no iOS support. Part 6. Best replacement for ShareMe. ShareMe is handy for quick sharing but can be unstable, limited across platforms, and lacking advanced features. Mobican Transfer for mobile is a stronger alternative, offering stable transfers, true cross-platform support, and a smoother experience. How to use the best replacement for ShareMe. Install and open the program on your computer. Connect both phones via USB. Confirm source and target use flip if needed. Select data types, click Start Copy.